Hello, this is Nas again. Welcome to another tutorial. If you are a fan of dark theme and will love to use dark theme on your Gmail account too, then you are in luck. Today I will show you how to turn on dark theme on your Gmail account from both PC and from your iPhone. But before I start, I want you to subscribe to my channel if you would like to get important and exciting tips and tricks about Gmail. To enable dark theme from your Gmail account, open any of your browser from PC and log into your Gmail account first. After logging in, click on the settings on the top right corner and choose themes. Now scroll down a little bit to find the dark theme. You can use terminal theme too if you like dark. Both dark and terminal theme maintain a dark background with white text. But the terminal theme provides slightly darker shade of black. But neither theme maintains its dark background when we open an email or start composing an email. So after selecting any of the dark theme, don't forget to click Save. After that, your Gmail theme will be changed to dark. Now I will show you how to activate dark theme on your iPhone. At first, open your Gmail app from your iPhone. If you don't have one, then download it from App Store. Then open your Gmail app. Click on the menu bar on the top left corner of the screen. A menu will appear. Scroll down a little bit to find the settings option. Click on settings. Then click on theme. And then select dark. After that, your Gmail app theme will change to dark theme. I hope that from now on you can turn on your favorite dark mode both from PC and from your iPhone. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, leave your comments below, and of course don't forget to smash the red subscribe button. Hope to see you in the next video.